Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by opening Chrome and loading the page you want to resize. Once the page is visible, tap the three-dot menu at the top right. This gives you layout and zoom controls. Make sure your page is fully loaded so measurements are accurate, and note whether the site is responsive or fixed width. You'll use menu options next to change zoom or request desktop site. This is the first actionable move to alter how content scales on your mobile screen. You now adjust scaling. Go to Menu Settings, Accessibility to change text scaling. Move the slider to increase or decrease text size across pages. For page level change, use pinch to zoom directly on the page, or open Menu and select Zoom to set a default zoom level for that tab. If the site uses a fixed desktop layout, request Desktop Site from the menu to see the full width view. These steps let you fine-tune legibility and layout. Finish by reloading the page to ensure your zoom and desktop request changes take effect. Make sure to test links and scroll behavior. Adjust accessibility slider again if text still feels off. If changes don't persist, clear cache via Settings Privacy, clear browsing data, and restart Chrome. One key troubleshooting tip: if the site refuses to resize because of its own CSS, try another browser or update Chrome. This often.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.